another week. I didn't really feel like vlogging today, but good morning and welcome to another vlog. Now, whoever's watched me long enough will remember this road. I haven't been on this road in ages. However, Warsaw is officially closed, and they won't open up until 8 again. So I'm not driving through that truck band anymore, especially after last week. Which again, I forgot to end the vlog, but nonetheless, we have a new record as far as kilometers goes. 832 kilometers. Smashed my old record literally by 100 kilometers. So that's great. Besides that, the reason I'm driving around is because I don't feel like getting a ticket. So we're just gonna drive around. Some beautiful scenery. And we're in the new truck. A couple things I learned already about it. I'm not going to say. But it is an automatic, and I forgot how easy it is to drive an automatic. I keep on looking for the clutch and the shifter, but it's not there anymore. Every time I get in the truck, I kind of like put my foot on the clutch to but it's not there. So it's pretty easy to drive. Like my colleague said, it's a lazy person's truck. So I prefer lazy. I like lazy. I could use a little bit more room in it. I'll show you the cabin. It's a little bit different from the other one. It's still a DAF at the end of the day, but it's just a little bit different. This is not the I think they call it the super cabin. This is not it. This is the small one. So I don't understand how people do 6 weeks in trucks like this small, but yeah. With that being said, I just wanted to show you guys this road because we haven't been on it in a while, and I thought I'd just remember it and show it to you guys as well. I just want to put something on the record for the future me and for anybody else, but mainly for me when I watch these back. Never drive around Warsaw. It is the most wasteful way to waste your time driving ever. I've been driving for almost 9 hours and I have literally nothing to show for it. It is so bad. Like, I was at a truck stop because I needed to use the bathroom, and I should have just stayed at that truck stop until Warsaw Bend was removed and then drive through it. Because this is just ridiculous. It is such a waste of time. Future Dave, never do it again. I remember I did it once before for one of my old bosses that I worked for. Same dispatch and everything, same loads and everything, same route. I did this on the very first day I drove. I drove around Warsaw, and I was like, wow, it's such a waste of time. And I knew it was, and I did it anyways today just to remind myself. And yeah, it's horrible. It's such a waste of time. Even if you're going 90 the entire time, you are constantly slowing down and speeding up and slowing down and speeding up. 9 hours and only 500 kilometers? That is ridiculous. That's just horrible. So, anyways, yeah, moral of the story, yeah, never, ever, ever again. Ever again. Because it's just not worth it. Like, I could have just chilled for like a couple of hours. Like right now I could have probably already started driving and I would have been able to just drive through Warsaw. Never driving around again. I don't know what would have to happen, because even if I do drive around, let's say something important, I'm trying to make it home, even if I do drive around, it's just going to kill my time. That's it. That's all it's going to do. It's not going to be any progress at all. So yeah, so there you go. Future me and everyone else, I would never recommend driving around. And there's barely any parking lots. If there are some, they are big. I'm not going to lie. They're pretty big. You'll find a spot to park. But, I mean, obviously at nighttime, parking is parking, so you probably have a problem. But overall, you will find parking. It's just that, it's just awful. There's few of them. There's not that many. I mean, the ones that are there, they're big, but yeah. You can mess up your clock. You can mess up your e-log. It's just not worth it. Never, ever, ever again. So for some reason, I shall even show you, I'm supposed to be over there. You can see the gas station we usually stop at over there and everything. However, we're over here for some reason. The entire highway is closed from both directions. I'm extremely confused. I don't know why it's closed. I'm guessing some type of accident. Probably some dumbass killed himself. doing some stupid shit with his car or something. I don't know, but the moral of the story is it's extreme enough to close down the entire highway. So now we're in this clusterfuck, which is not great either. And if people come, oh, how dare you say that about someone? Look, we all were born, we're all gonna die, okay? Get over it, snowflakes. My channel is not for snowflakes. I couldn't care less about you. So, that being said, if that motherfucker did actually get into an accident, and there's an accident in the traffic to get off the highway. So yeah, as you can see, truck after truck after truck is coming. So I'm guessing at one point there's a traffic thing because there's construction on this road too. So it's just a big cluster F. It's not great. Next 2 weeks, next 2 Fridays, you guys won't be getting a video. I need a little bit of break for them. Plus, my wife is coming with me on the truck. If she decides to make one, I don't promise. There might not be. So for the next 2 weeks, just know that. Keep that in mind. I still haven't shown you guys this truck. Well, I could do that right now. It's not like I'm doing much. So here you go. It's the same thing. It's the same DAF. Except this one has an automatic. I still keep on looking for the gear over there. But yeah, overall, this is what it looks like. I was hoping to stop earlier today and actually get some work done tomorrow early morning. But that ain't it. Now listen to my truck try to take off. Actually, it wasn't too bad this time. It's throwing gears. I wanted to stop before 6 their time, 7 my time. Wake up like at 2, 3 in the morning their time. Pass everything, Warsaw, the construction, everything. Now I'm just screwed. This is pretty much put a bullet in that plan. So, but yeah. With all that being said, it's a pretty long clip. Wow, look at all that. Look at all that. You guys see all that? I'm gonna actually slow down so you guys can actually maybe have a better look. Look at all of that. Like, what in the Sam hell? We're gonna stop over here. Actually, we could just roll down. Let's do that. We'll put the truck in neutral. There we go. And let's just roll down the hill. So yeah, I don't know how long this detour is, but that's what's going on, and I'm kind of annoyed. It was going so well too. Technically, I should have been half an hour away. So, yeah, completely screwed all my plans. But that's trucking for you. So this is going to be a very short vlog. I could already feel it. Why did that thing go up there? Anyways, doesn't matter. Yeah, it's going to be a very short vlog, simply due to the fact that, well, I haven't done much, and I haven't done much recording. We're going to get unloaded. We're only 28 minutes away, and then we're going to get loaded and go home. I'm going to be taking a break because this truck is awful. I can't mute the radio normally, which affects my vlogging. And the other thing is there's no AC in this thing, so I'm kind of usually tired in it. I'm hot, I'm miserable. And I don't want to put up content like that. So I'm a little bit more happy today just because, well, I'm going home. So thanks for watching the vlog, guys. We are in Latvia currently. Thanks for watching the vlog though, and I'll catch you guys in 3 weeks. Is it 3 weeks? It's going to be 2 weeks without a video, and then the third one will be. So yeah, in 3 weeks. See you.
Music keeps me on So if you can see this Audi in front of me, I think he was drinking and driving, but I'll let you guys judge for yourself because he's swerving in and out of lanes, but I'll let you watch. Anyways, this was the footage I still had saved up from the last company I worked at. I ended up leaving after 6 weeks of being a replacement driver. I used to work for him before, but it was a different boss and he was dispatched. Now he was straight up my boss. And in those 6 weeks, we had 2 trucks. Both of them broke. 2 weeks with no windshield wipers in the rain. That was awful. This truck blew its clutch. We ended up pulling it with straps into a different country to get it repaired. Just overall, some stuff I wasn't proud of doing, and it just felt unsafe, so I decided to leave. And yeah, so we're no longer working there. However, we are hitting the road in October, so we will be back on the road in October. We'll be making more content. I've seen you guys recently are supporting me. Right here, I was going to pick up my trailer after the clutch was just fixed. To fix the clutch, it took almost a week of straight up downtime, and I think I spent like 2 days before he even decided to go to our repair shop because he just didn't want to fix the truck. So, you know, these trucks have over 1 million kilometers. You can't expect much from them, but apparently he wants them to run without any mechanical problems, and that's just not how it works. But nonetheless, I'm over it. I wish him the best of luck. And yeah, we're going to be hitting the road in October. Thanks for all the support. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in October once we hit the road again. Peace.